Good
Morning,
morning, ma'am.
Satya.
How are you, ma'am? Yes, ma'am, Satya.
Yeah. How are you doing today?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Have you completed all your household chores?
Yes, ma'am. Everything finished. Today also in Tamil Nadu election, ma'am. I finished my vote and then come now.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes, yes, yes.
yes, ma'am.
So let's start with our introduction part because we
Yeah,
are
I'm
the
okay.
very first time. So I'd
Yes, ma'am.
like to know a bit about yourself, please.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. My name is Satya. I'm from Tamil Nadu. When my comes to my studies, I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science major, and then I have 4 years of work experience in BPO, ma'am.
Mhm.
And then I got married. I took a long break in my career. And
Yes.
then I have 2 kids.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you
That
want
is pretty
to
much about me.
start again your career?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely. That's why I come into this language.
Mhm. Good, good. Let me introduce myself also. Thank you for your
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
introduction. As you know, my
Thanks.
name is Saraswati and I'm from Mumbai. Talking about my education, I am BA BEd. I also pursued web designing and I have more than 15 years of experience in that field. But currently, I am also a homemaker. That
Yeah,
is
okay.
about myself. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Happy to know you.
Yes. So, do you have any question to ask me?
No, no, ma'am. What are the practices are you doing in a daily basis?
What are the practices I do?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
improving my English, the first practice I do that is speaking with
Yeah,
fellow
okay.
learners because I believe that speaking is must. The
Yes,
more
ma'am.
we speak, more fluency we gain. And
Yes.
additionally, what I do, I listen to podcast
Yes.
also. And every single day, I already have started writing at least one
Yeah, okay.
paragraph, two paragraph. It depends on my time.
Okay.
If I talk about reading, so I am not too much into reading, but yes, at least one paragraph
Yeah,
I read every single day.
yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, ma'am, I'm also doing like that, but if there is a reading or writing practice is must for our fluency, ma'am.
Yes. Not reading
Yeah.
and writing practice is must. First, the main focus should be on speaking
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
and listening to. Because the more we
Yeah.
listen, we knowingly or unknowingly come across with many of the words.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And at the time of speaking to others, we can use.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm also experienced. Last 6 months only, I did listening practices,
Mm-hmm.
and some of the time, unknowingly, the words will come from our mouth
Okay.
nowadays.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me something about your place.
Yes, ma'am. My place is in Tamil Nadu, Madurai, ma'am. Madurai district.
Okay.
This is my hometown. And
Mm-hmm.
there is a Meenakshi Amman temple. Meenakshi Amman Sundareswara temple, like a Lord Shiva
Mm-hmm.
and Amman Parvati Amman. The two gods are available. That
Okay.
is a old temple, ma'am. So much of cultural, so much of nowadays running the festival in Madurai. 12 days festival, ma'am. Madurai Chitrai festival. It's a
Okay.
famous festival, ma'am. And then sleepless city. Madurai is a sleepless city because night time so much of the market, fish market, the
Mhm.
flower market, the jasmine flower is the
Okay.
famous here.
Jasmine flower.
So the jasmine flower, yes, ma'am. So full market, fish market, and then flower market, vegetable market, full day, 24 hours. We can buy anywhere. There are no shops are closed.
Okay.
That's why all are saying sleepless city. Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. And what
Yes.
about food culture in Madurai?
Yes, ma'am. It's full of South Indian meals only. The dosa, idli, sambar. That
Mm-hmm.
is famous also. That's like a paratha also. Paratha, the porch, like the fried paratha in oil, fried oil.
Oh.
Fried paratha. It's so much of famous in Madurai, ma'am. And also famous for a non-veg, ma'am.
Non-veg also.
Non-veg famous. Yes, yes,
So
ma'am.
what is your favorite idli or dosa? Idli dosa with
Dosa, ma'am. Dosa,
dosa.
ma'am.
Mm.
Dosa, sambar chutney. Yes, ma'am. Dosa only. Here, the most of the time, morning and night tiffin all available in hotel and homes also. Only dosa, idli. Most of the homes in there is available. Yes, ma'am. Normal dosa.
Mhm. So do you know how to prepare sambar at home?
Yes, ma'am. I know. I preparing.
So would you tell me the process? How do you prepare sambar at home?
Oh, yes, ma'am. We have to put a drumstick, ma'am,
Yes,
drumstick
yes,
vegetable.
yeah.
Yes, and then brinjal or a carrot. If anything we want, we can add some vegetables.
Yes,
So I separately, I moong dal or tur dal, I
yes.
separately I boiled.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to pour oil, mustard, and then zira, everything. And then we have to put spicy means we have to add green chili or otherwise sambar powder also available. The ready-made powder also available.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then we can sort out the vegetables and then we pour that dal and then we pour how much we want the quantity for our family members and then we pour some water. We
Mm-hmm.
have to boil and then the sambar ready, ma'am.
Okay. But you know the process and the
Yes, ma'am.
spices, especially South Indian use a bit
Yes,
different.
ma'am.
I believe that because
Yes,
when
ma'am. Yes.
I try to find the same taste, I am sometimes
Yeah, okay.
unable to do that. So
Yeah,
I
okay,
basically
okay.
my motto is to know what specific in means spices do you use making sambar.
Yes, ma'am. There is so much of people here, so much of home, ma'am. There are in the older culture
Mm.
because my mummy only preparing the that powder, the powder
Sambar.
to me
Yes.
preparing. Yes, ma'am, sambar
Yes.
powder,
Yes.
and then the also gravy masala. Everything we want to put any gravy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why my mommy preparing in home only. We have to buy some coriander seeds and then chilies, red chilies,
Mm-hmm.
and then pepper, zira, mustard, all of the spices we have to add. 12 spices, I think, ma'am. Yes. And then we have to fry in home. And then we have to put in some sunny places also. We have to
Yes.
dry fully.
Mm.
Yes. And then we have to go to rice mill. We have to give and grind. And then we have to keep it 3 to 4 months.
Yes.
Airtight container. Yes,
Because
ma'am. And that
when
is
we
we
put
have to
that
use.
masala spice
Yes,
powder in
ma'am. Yes,
our
ma'am.
sambar,
Yes, ma'am.
it we get totally different taste, I would say.
Different taste. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I try my best. Some days I am able
Yeah,
to,
okay,
some
ma'am.
days I am unable to.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yes, the YouTube also so much of sambar available, ma'am. Nowadays, without that sambar powder also, so
Hmm.
much of people with green chili, only
Hmm.
green chili, and then only red chili,
Hmm.
only red chili powder also. They are making so much of sambar, different variety of sambar also.
Yes.
Yes,
Mostly
ma'am.
I use two sambar powder, like one is Batsa and another is
Yeah, okay.
MDH. MDH. That sambar
Same.
powder is really very amazing. The
Very
taste is
good taste.
really, yes, very
Yeah,
good
okay,
taste.
ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Here also some brands available, ma'am, for sambar powder. For everything, every ready-made powders are available. Rasam also, everything for available. So
hmm.
we have to purchase and choose for taste for our favorites also.
And
Yes,
in
ma'am.
vegetables, I only use drumstick and pumpkin.
Pumpkin, yeah, yes, ma'am. Pumpkin,
Okay.
yellow pumpkin is super taste, ma'am, with the
Yes.
sambar. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That is
Uh,
the Pongal Sankranti, ma'am. Pongal Sankranti.
Pongal Sankranti, I know, but I am not totally aware what is it.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. The first day we have to put the sun pongal. We have to put sun pongal.
Mhm.
When the sun comes, that
Okay.
time we have to put. Another day, it's who have the cow and calf. Who
Mhm.
have the cow, milk cow. They are having, they are separating another day. They are celebrating.
Okay.
So that pongal, we have to put, we have to put that pumpkin sambar, ma'am. Yellow pumpkin sambar, we have to put must. That is tradition.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Chutney, like
Yes, ma'am.
coconut chutney is there.
Coconut chutney.
And
Yes,
one
ma'am.
red
And
chutney
tomato
also,
chutney.
in
Yes, ma'am.
South
Tomato
India,
chutney.
tomato chutney. So would you
Tomato
like to
chutney.
share the process? How do you prepare that? Means Tomato
Chutneys
chutney.
also.
Yes, yes.
Tomato chutney. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You want tomato chutney only? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Tomato. We got tomato chutney also. There are so much of variety
Mhm.
tastes also, ma'am. We have to first put dry raw tomato and banana. We have to cut and then grind. We have to add
I'm
some
not
red
talking
chili
about
and
tomato means the chutney, red chutney we use while eating sambar, dosa. That red chutney we use. I'm
yes,
talking
ma'am.
about
I know
that.
that that is also kind of 2 to 3 varieties. We have to 3 types of chutneys using
Okay.
here.
Yes, yes.
One is we have to put raw tomato and raw onion, a
Mm-hmm.
big onion, a small onion, everything we want. We
Mm-hmm.
have to put in jar directly, and then we
Okay.
have to add some garlic, ginger,
Mm-hmm.
and then red chili, and then salt.
Okay.
So we have to grind and then we have to pour directly into pan with oil, mustard seeds, and
Okay.
we have to pour and we have to boil. Yes, ma'am. That the color will change. The orange color puree will change to red. That is
Okay.
one type of chutney. Another one we have to put in pan. We have to put oil only, and then we have to put tomato, onion, and then coriander leaf, mint leaf,
Mm-hmm.
and then red chili or green chili, garlic, and then we have to add urud dal, channa dal, some amount only 1 teaspoon,
Mm-hmm.
like,
Yes, yes.
and then we have to add some coconut, 2 to 3 pieces coconut
Okay.
also,
Mm.
and then some peanut, ma'am, groundnut peanut also, some we have to add. That is also some kind of taste. Yes, ma'am.
But I'm
Yes, ma'am.
unable
Yes,
to replicate the same taste.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Because you are in a different culture, I think you have a different tradition of foods.
yes,
So
yeah.
that's why that the taste will change, ma'am. When we are go to other side also, if Madurai, I mean Madurai,
Mm-hmm.
my husband working place is Erode. We are living in there only. So if we go to another place, that place red chutney is so different taste.
Mm-hmm.
In Madurai, different taste. So that
Yes.
taste will differ, ma'am, by place,
Yes.
depending upon places. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Tell me something about your screen time, social media era.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yes,
we
ma'am.
all, are very accustomed to using my our mobile every now and then. So I would like to
Yes, ma'am.
ask, how much time do you spend scrolling your
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
mobile, watching reels?
No, ma'am. I don't most of the time too much of fun with reels, ma'am.
Mm,
Because my plate was already full. I told you 2 kids are available. One is toddler also. So when I finish my home chores, and then I'm doing home chores, doing vessels, doing laundry work. That time I'm hearing only English podcast, anything podcast or conversational videos, ma'am. That
okay.
1 hour or half an hour every day, I complete that listening
Mm,
practice. And then when I come to bed, I want to simply lying, I want to take rest sometime. That time means I don't too much of scrolling reels that
mm,
like my because my kids don't don't allow me to take mobile because if I take mobile means they are also want mobile. So
mhm.
that's why I avoid that, ma'am. So much of
Yes.
time I avoid that.
And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about your internet entertainment? Means you do not watch any TV
Yes,
show.
ma'am. In watching TV, I'm watching, ma'am, some shows, reality shows or movies. If
Mm-hmm.
anything means I watch in TV because the kids also nowadays summer vacation also. They
Mm-hmm.
are also watching some kids cartoon channel. So
Yes,
sometimes I pick the remote and then sometime I want to watch. So you sit,
yes, yes,
you
yeah.
sit, anything you write. So that time I have to watch, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So, what type of movies do you watch? I mean to say, what is your genre?
Oh, my genre is if anything, ma'am, I not evil like that like a movie. I am so scared of that, ma'am. So otherwise, anything Tamil movie or the dubbed movie from
Hmm.
North Indian movie or Telugu, that like I will watch, ma'am. Anything
There
movie.
is one movie I have recently watched. Actually,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
in Tamil, I think, or other language. But
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Hindi, Hindi version was also available. That's why I watched it and found it
Yeah,
was
okay.
really amazing. Like idli,
Yeah, okay. Hmm.
something like that.
Idli chutney sambar.
Yeah,
Idli chutney sambar.
something like that.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
I
Yeah, okay,
found
ma'am.
it was
That
really
is a web series,
amazing.
ma'am. That is web series, ma'am. The Geo Hotstar available.
No, it is not a web series. It was only, I think, 2.5
Movie?
hours movie.
2 and a half movie.
Mainly,
Yeah, okay.
all the actor and actress are from South India.
South India only. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yes.
It was really amazing, and the story was very simple but quite impressive, I would say.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, because my husband is very fond of watching movies, especially South
Watching movies. Yeah,
Indian
okay. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
movies. Yeah, yeah. So, do you want to ask other question also? So please feel free and ask.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. How much time you are listening, ma'am, podcast every day? How much time we have to listen?
As you said that when you do all your household chores you listen the
Yes,
same.
ma'am.
In my case also I also do the same. Otherwise I
Yes,
do
ma'am.
not have extra time sitting at one place and listening to some podcast. No, I do not have that much of time, but
Yes,
while
ma'am. Yes.
doing my household chores I listen.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. It is also useful, ma'am. Is it also useful too? Because we are only passive learning because we can't actively see the words, see them faces, see the mouth and the pronunciation. And we are hearing only, and we have doing our works only. So I am asking, is it very useful to us?
If you otherwise we are not able to listen to anything.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There is
Yes.
no time for us.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yeah.
already we
Okay.
have other responsibilities. In my
Yeah.
case, yes, I have in daytime around 9 to 12:30. I am free. In that
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
hours, what I exactly do, some days I shoot my solo video, some days I connect with learners, some days I
Yeah. Okay.
connect with through audio call also, video call also.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so
Okay.
in this way, I spend my time. Some days I also do the active listening. Also, I sit at one place and
Yeah.
listen to
Okay.
some audio, sorry, video. But not every single day I follow because I'm not able to do that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
But if I talk about my speaking practice, so yes, definitely I give around, sometimes every single
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
15 minutes, 20 minutes, some days half an
Okay,
hour.
ma'am. Yes,
It
ma'am.
depends on my time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Me also 15 to 20 minutes. I have a partner from the WhatsApp group like that, ma'am. So when they are also having baby, so when they are free, I'm free. That time we have to connect and 20 minutes, 25 minutes like that. We have to talk each every day. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Do you give mobile to your child's
Yes.
hand?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes we can't manage them, ma'am. Sometimes we have to give. Not too much. Sometimes I have to give,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. But
Yes.
sometimes means 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or some
Yes,
days half
ma'am. Yes,
an
ma'am.
hour
That is
is enough.
yes. Yes, ma'am.
Because when we
Yes,
start
ma'am. That is
giving mobile to our children, they become habitual of.
yes,
They
ma'am.
have the habit, watching different reels, and that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not good
Yes.
for their, especially their eyes, their brain.
Yes. It's not good for them also, ma'am. Yes. When I'm thinking, oh no, that is too much of time they are taking, that means I will pick the mobile and then I have to give another activity and I have to pick up to outside, go and play and make everything, ma'am.
Yes. So, Satya, it was really lovely talking to you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Have
Thank
a
you so much.
wonderful day. Bye bye.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.